Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Philliana Garcia's house here in Lithia Springs. I know we did send in one repairability video that did cut off during the middle of the video due to my phone overheating. You guys said you guys needed one fluid video. That was the last repair attempt. I went to start this video to remove this shingle right here, but during the video when I was unsealing it, as you can see, the shingle ends right there, but it also ends right there. So I couldn't repair this shingle because it's just a individual tab. So I'm gonna be removing this shingle right here. Obviously gonna let you guys follow along during this process. Here's the damaged shingle. This one up to the right of it is unsealed and has similar marks. So we're basically gonna be focusing on the rest of the shingles during this repair process. Here's a shingle overview before we start, condition shot. All right, now let me put you guys down, let y'all follow along during this. This one's already unsealed. All right, shingle should just slide out. Missing one. There it is. Now shingle should just pop out. There it goes. Now, even just sliding the shingle in, guys, you can see the granules coming off of these, rolling down. Not a large shingle exposure here. a little casualty here from the hammer. Shingle is already damaged. Come on, nail. Go in your home. Alrighty guys, new shingle is in place. Now, like I said, there's a lot of granules coming off of these shingles. When I slid that shingle in, you can kind of already see the crease line that is created from this point of resistance up here. You can see it here, here. But next windstorm, rain, any kind of inclement weather is going to knock these loose granules off. So if you notice, let's do it here. If you notice right now, if I do rub my hand very lightly across these shingles, unaffected by the repair, there is no change. Like I said, there are loose granules on the top of these. If I rub my hand very gently, same motion, across these shingles, you can see all the loose granules come off, and they actually leave. I know my shadow's kind of in the way. I will chalk these up for you guys, give you guys a better understanding, and take some photos to send in as well. You guys can see it better without the shadow line, but thank you for your consideration.